Welcome to my final Patreon giveaway. Now, this wasn't intended to be my final giveaway, but some circumstances kind of changed, and yeah, it has to be my final giveaway. I'll explain that further, but I wanted to make sure that I kept my commitment on this giveaway to my Patreons and show you what's going out to a winner today. So, this is a pretty awesome grow kit. I know I talked it up a few times before, but it's worth talking up because this is a good deal. So, let's start off. I have 4 ounces of mustard seed. This is that spicy oriental mustard seed. We've got 4 ounces of China rose radish. 200 grams of black oil sunflower. 400 grams of green peas. This is like the perfect amount for a tray. These are tendril peas. The black oil sunflower, I'd say that's more than enough for 1 tray. You could use that for 1 tray. I found that that's actually too much. The 4 ounces of the other seeds, that's many, many trays. 9 wood fiber grow mats. And 6 Pepe Fasos shallow grow trays. 3 with holes and 3 without. And 2 Active Grow LED grow lights. Use 2 of these over your rack. Grows awesome. Highly recommended. One thing I want to point out is that their original label says that they're 24 watts each. That's incorrect. They're actually 22 watts each, and he actually put on a separate label here that says that they're 22 watts. But he already had them all packaged professionally with the 24 watts. So let's find out who's going to win this awesome grow kit. Final grow kit. Definitely stick around after I announce the winner because I do have something I want to go over with you guys. The way that I'm going to be going with Patreon going forward, and something that's going out to all of you Patreons. So, stick around. All right, let's find out who's going to win that really awesome grow kit. I didn't want to use the Patreon website, and I will explain that more later, but here is my list of all the Patreons who are $10 or more, and let's go to the random number generator that I already have pulled up here. Let's click generate. And it looks like number 6 is the winner. So let's just pull that spreadsheet back up. And it looks like David Setness has won the grow kit. Congratulations, David. I'm super excited that you won that kit. Sorry that you guys didn't all win. I really wish everybody was able to win something like that. Give me a few days to send that out because I want to put together some detailed instructions of how to use the entire kit. How to grow each seed, which one should be in soil, which one should be in the mats, or all that stuff. So just give me a little while before I send that out. Why am I standing in front of a whole pile of seeds, you might be wondering? Well, that's because the new Patreon rules, or they're not new, there were rules I was not aware of. I'm not allowed to do giveaways. If I'm going to do a giveaway, it has to be for everybody that's paying up to that tier. I didn't know that. I should have known that. I was contacted by Patreon about a week ago, and I was told that I was not being compliant with their terms of use, that giveaways are not allowed. At first, I was really upset about that, and then as I thought about it, and with their explanation that a lot of states consider that gambling, or some countries might consider that gambling, I kind of thought about it and realized, even if you play a game at like Monopoly at McDonald's, it always says no purchase necessary. I think that's because the laws are that everybody has to have a chance to win. But what is allowed is that I can have a tier where every single person in that tier gets the same thing. So what I did is I got rid of the rewards tier of in it to win it. and created a seed club tier. So what that seed club tier is, which I already announced before, I was doing this for all of you anyways, is everybody's getting a seed kit. So all of my Patreons that are in that tier are getting a seed kit. What I'm giving away is 4 ounces of China Rose radish to 15 of you, and there was 16 of you, but the 16th one is getting the entire kit anyways. And I'm giving away 4 ounces of spicy oriental mustard. And I'll be shipping those to all of you with complete instructions on how to grow them all, to the best of my knowledge on how to do it. The other thing that comes along with being in the Seed Club is I will be doing exclusive how-to videos only for Patreons. They won't be on YouTube. They'll be much more detailed than videos I've done in the past, and I'll show every single step all the way through. I hope that that helps you guys. If you want to leave because you're only in it for the giveaways, then I completely understand. But if you're in it because you enjoy the education and everything I share with you, and that you're going to get some free stuff here and there, maybe not free, I mean, you are a subscriber, but then I really, really appreciate you being on board. I might even come up with some t-shirts, things like that, stuff I can throw in. I'm not really making anything on this whole gig. The hope is that someday maybe I would be profitable doing that, but right now, obviously I'm not. You just saw the grow kit I'm giving away, shipping that and everything else. Yeah, it's not exactly making me any money, but I really appreciate you guys. Stick around. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to my Patreon page in the description. Also, all my seeds come from True Leaf Market, and a link to them will also be in the description. And that light kit that I'm giving away, those lights from Active Grow LED, I'll put a link to them in the description as well. All kinds of links in the description of all my companies I use. So, thanks again, guys. Have a nice night.